Using Reddit gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enhance your experience on the platform. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Visit the Reddit website or app. Open your web browser and go to the Reddit website or launch the Reddit app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your Reddit account. Step 2. Access the settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select User Settings from the drop-down menu. In the app, tap on your profile icon, then go to Settings. Step 3. Find the gift card redemption option. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option for Redeem Gift Card or Gift Card under the payment settings. Click or tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. You will be prompted to enter the code found on your Reddit gift card. Carefully type in the code, ensuring there are no mistakes, and click or tap on Redeem. Step 5. Confirm the redemption. After entering the code, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the gift card has been successfully redeemed. You can now use the balance for purchases on Reddit, such as premium memberships or rewards. Now you are ready to enjoy the benefits of your Reddit gift card. Happy Redditing!